So in this artifacts, Claude doesn't only reply in text, it creates a real files. Artifacts are things built inside the side panel so that you can see and edit and lively. That means either documents, charts, or working web page, calculator, whatever it may be. Okay. So these are all the things. So this is a project that you are going to create. Okay. So these are all the things. Maybe I'll show you lively how to create a skill and all those things. Okay. So as of now, these are all the 6 workflows. Mostly it will work across. So this is a interesting workflow for office worker, for business owner, for creator, for developer, for everybody. So this is what what if you are if I am a student, if I am a office worker, everybody can use it. That's what I'm trying to say in this slides. Okay. Then finally, one more thing, Claude is just 40%, 60%, whatever the knowledge that we are having, domain knowledge, coding knowledge. So both mix together to give a faster and productive solution. So this is what we are going to do in the next demo in Claude. Okay, thank you.